everyone. So it is the 19th of December, so another Charlie's Advent Calendar unboxing. So as always, I'm going to start with the mixed nail art one. So let me know your thoughts so far on all the new products. I think they are amazing. I'm really happy. So let's have a look. Ooh, got some stickers. Oh, now these are nice. I like these. So let me just get it open without deafening everybody, because these packets can be very loud. Oh, they're really pretty. Glittery. Look. Oh wow, they're really pretty. Look at them. How pretty are they? What texture? Only slight texture. Bit of top coat over the top, be fine. But how pretty are they? Wow, they're really pretty. I really like them. So let's open the glitter one, and we will see what we have got today. Are you ready? Go. Ooh. So we have some Golden Blossom. So these are, as you can see, little holographic flowers. So pick them up. So this is 3 grams. These are really pretty. Wow. Now they are really holographic. Look at them. Wow. Who doesn't like some holo first thing in the morning? Really pretty. I don't know what I'm going to do. Now. What am I going to do with them? I don't know. Let me have a think and I should be back when I've done it. Okay, see you in a minute. So this is the quick little thing I did. Just, I don't know, just a random, very random nail. So these are the new products on the website today. Just did a very sort of just a quick random little, I don't know, fairy going up to the flower. Let me just show you the flower. Oops. So it's like really holographic. So yeah, what do you think about the items today? I think they're really nice. I like them. Lots of ideas already. So yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and don't forget my discount code. And yeah, let me know your thoughts on today's items. Well, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully you will join me tomorrow morning. Till then, take care. Bye.